2 out of 25 suspected cybercriminals arrested by the Cybercrime Unit of the Criminal Investigations Department have been put before the Accra Circuit Court on Monday, 14th July 2025. Deputy Director of the Cybercrime Unit, ASP Peter Saiba, disclosed that the remaining suspects, all Nigerians, will be repatriated. He added that the joint operation team confiscated more than 40 laptops and mobile phones allegedly used in perpetrating financial fraud schemes targeting victims in Ghana and abroad.
At least 7 individuals, all of Nigerian nationality, have been arrested in connection with cybercrime and fraudulent activities in a separate operation carried out on Thursday, July 3, 2025 at Oyibi in the Greater Accra region. 25 Nigerian nationals were also taken into custody. They are allegedly involved in large-scale cybercrime operations. Investigations revealed that 20 of the suspects had been trafficked into Ghana under false pretenses of employment by 2 individuals identified as kingpins. Police reports indicate that the crime unit received a tip-off that a group of Nigerians had secretly established a network of sophisticated digital equipment used in committing financial fraud and scams. Upon arriving at the scene, authorities successfully dismantled a cyber fraud syndicate and impounded devices, which included 40 laptops and 25 mobile phones. Chief Inspector Emmanuel Bibiebono of the Cybercrime Unit of the CID of the Ghana Police Service explains further.
We moved to Oyibi, I think Ubuntu Estate, and we went to 2 apartments, which are apartments 16 and 20. We went there, we met some groups of foreigners, they are all Nigerians. Apartment 16 was containing 5 foreigners, Nigerians, and the second apartment 20 was containing 20 Nigerians who were on their laptops working. So we arrested them and brought them to the station together with their laptops and their mobile phones. In all, 25 people were arrested. 25 people were arrested. Per our preliminary investigations, we saw that some of them were lured into the country by 2 of the kingpins who are now on police remand. They promised them to give them a good job. So when they came there, they just held them hostages at the apartment. They don't go out. And he was just introducing them to online fraud.
The Deputy Director of the Cybercrime Unit, ASP Peter Saiba, explained that the 2 suspected kingpins are to be arraigned. He also confirmed that all digital devices recovered are currently under scrutiny.
The electronic gadgets that were picked from the scene is yet to be subjected to forensics examination. So as I speak now, the kingpins have been remanded into police custody, and then the other Nigerians, we are now liaising with anti-human trafficking so that they will be processed with the assistance of immigration so that they can be sent back to Nigeria.
The joint operation was conducted by a multi-agency team comprising the Criminal Investigation Department, CID, the Police Cybercrime Unit, and the Cyber Security Authority.
The Ministry of Local Government has disbursed 23.6